Hi lovelies, thank you once again for coming back to watch my videos. I hope you all are doing perfectly fine. Today I share with you the simple egg sauce or egg stew recipe with you all. So easy to make and you are going to love it. If today being your first time on this channel, hello, this is Cooking with Efia. Kindly do subscribe to my channel and be part of this beautiful family. Let's get started. Okay, to start with this egg sauce recipe, I've heated my oil, and to season this oil or to give it extra flavor, I will season it with a little bit of natural spices, which consists of coriander seed, anise seed, dried rosemary, and some bay leaves. I'll also go in with some blended garlic and ginger paste. Moving forward, I'll also go in with some diced or chopped onions to give the oil extra flavor. Okay, stir everything beautifully and allow it to release its flavors to the oil for about 5 to 7 minutes on a low medium heat. Alright, so now the onions is ready, so I'll go in with my next ingredient, which is the tomato paste. You can as well use any tomato paste of your choice. Okay, I will stir beautifully and allow the tomatoes to also cook down until it is nice and ready. And for the tomatoes, you can omit one if you don't want fresh tomatoes or if you don't want tomato paste in your egg sauce. Okay, so now let's cover it and allow it to cook very well. So whilst that is going on, if you haven't still subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell also, so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for your support. So alright, after about 10 minutes of cooking the tomato paste, it is also ready. So I've added in some chopped fresh tomatoes. To that, I'm also going to go in with my powdered pepper. You can as well use fresh pepper if that is what you prefer. Okay, stir beautifully, cover and allow it to cook on low medium heat for about 5 to 10 minutes, and afterwards we are back to check on it and look at how juicy and tasty it looks right now. So moving forward, I'll also go in with my smoked mackerel. You can as well use any protein of your choice. Okay, so I'll also go in with some mackerel in tomato sauce. Next to seasoning this stew, I'll go in with some shrimp cube. You can use any seasoning of your choice. Okay, I'll also go in with some natural seasoning, which is Sankofa natural spices, salt to taste, and the salt is always to your taste. Okay, stir beautifully and allow it to cook very well, especially for the seasoning to really cook down very well. So now let's cover it and allow it to cook for additional 5 to 10 minutes, and after extra 5 to 10 minutes, we are back to check on the stew once more, and it is looking all good and almost done. So moving forward, I'll go in with my eggs, and I'm using 8 eggs for this recipe. Use any amount of eggs that you want. Okay, I didn't whisk the eggs because I really want the eggs to become very scrambled. So if you don't want it, you can just whisk it and add it to the stew, and you are also going to get the perfect results. Next, I will also go in with some salt, just a little bit of it to help the egg really comes out beautifully. I will gently stir it just as you've seen, to just pave way for the eggs to also cook down very well. So I'll cover it and allow it to cook on low medium heat for about 5 minutes, and afterwards I will stir again. At this point, the egg yolks are still not cooked yet, so you just have to use your spatula or your wooden ladle to just break it a little bit. And at this point, I needed to add in more onions to give the stew extra taste and also some crunchiness. Okay, I'll stir beautifully just the way you've seen it on your screens right now. At this point, The egg sauce was looking very good and delicious already. So I'll just give it a gentle stir, cover it again for the last time, and allow it to simmer down until oil settles on top beautifully. Alright, so after extra 5 more minutes, look at how palatable and appetizing this egg sauce looks right now. Fam, let me know in the comment section what you think about this egg sauce recipe. It came out so good, and let me know what you're going to pair with this. I paired mine with some rice, and some also enjoyed theirs with some plantain. Let me know in the comment section what you're going to pair with yours. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and please do well to support your girl by subscribing and also turning on the post notification bell as well. Thank you for watching and stay blessed. Bye.